Otumak frisier curlier intos traiter. Sommetim vuan wave donteave, en if jureri naturali curli oravi, liuma fin yourself wanting to have strater, ifon li for a day. If you're looking to straighten your hair, there are some important OS dont ts to keep in bien. Ria dont to fin out more. Wash with gentle shampoo enrich or smoothing conditionné. Straightening hair particularly hair ties naturally curly or frizzy around it, so you will need to prepare it with a gentle shampoo enrich, smoothing conditionné. Use gentle, sulfate-free shampoo to avoid stripping your hair off natural oil. It is going to need them for protection against it stealing your habutudo. Use a rich, hydrating conditionné, antenne, for extra protection, use a leave-in conditionné. Dry your hair. If all possible, avoid drying your hair with a blow dryer until your hair is or nearly dry to minimize damage. Dry your hair using a coton t-shirt or a microfiber towel using a scaling, blotting motion, no a rubbing motion, which cause breakage. Apply a small amount of straightening product. Liouel les longs linéides adim si amou 1 à most en im or will veger don en leave it lamp. Look for product ta protect en moisturizer, like blow dry primer, freeze control spray, or smoothing balin. Blow dry your hair. Use a round bristle brush to pull your hair straight à you dry it. Direct te nozzle don à you dry to help prevent hair from freezing. Jet air completely dry before moving on to flat ironing. Be patient. Tistet matak sometime, particularly if you have very curly hair. If your hair is too curly to make the conventional brush and blow dry method workable. You can try setting your hair in a large roll en sitting under a hooded dryer, if you have on, or setting it curly before you go to bed at night and straightening with a flat iron in the morning. Flat iron your hair. Once your hair is completely dry, pull the top layer of hair into a temporary ponytail orb, then begin straightening hair in a 2-inch section. If you have a temperature setting on your flat iron, use the following guide, for fine or damaged hair, 250-300 degrés, for medium or average hair, 300-350 degrés, for thick or coarse hair, 350-400 degrés. Use a comb ou pull your hair to away from your head with on. With totean, iront section of hair in on fluid motion from root to on. Repea if necessary un tilt section of hair is straight. After you've straightened bottom layer of hair, on dot ignore ponytail holding at top layer of hair. Then begin straightening at top layer, using 1-2-inch section. Don't use a flat iron on wet or down hair it can literally break your hair. Apply finishing serum or spray. Use a finishing serum to smooth hair en add chin. Serum are generally best for coarse or thick hair, while spray are best for fine or normal hair. Look into a Brazilian blowout. Brazilian blowout, also called thermal hair straightening or keratin straightening, are professional chemical treatment a relaxer. Overall process of jetting a Brazilian blowout take an average of 90 minutes en largely sa manio. It will usually look like tea. Stylist will wash and towel dry your hair. Norche will then divide your hair into section en begin applying the straightening product. Stylist will next blow dry your hair, trying to make it as straight as possible. Next, Norche will flat iron your hair to sell in the straightener. Then the stylist will rinse the solution out of your hair and apply a conditioning mask. Norche will then rinse your hair again and apply a smoothing serum en bar oblique or balm before blow drying your hair once again. C'est-tu pan appui intme à salon t'a offert Brazilian blowout. If you're no sure you want to jet a blowout, start by setting up a consultation with a stylist WHO quand you through the process en soyant question. Be avoir gouin in ta professional straightening treatment are expensive, anywhere from $175 $350, depending on the length and texture of your hair, and will take a long at reur. Also not if you have very curly hair, a Brazilian blow will smooth out your hair, but it won't completely straighten it. Despite some clients toute contrary, to the treatment do damage hair. Jet appropriate hair care product. Your hair will need some care after treatment, to you should not feel compelled to buy expensive salon product, drugstore brand can work just avel. Look for product tar gentle on hair en off freeze fighting benefit. Don't use en product ta contain sulfate. Take care of your blow. After a Brazilian blow, there are some general steps you should follow to maintain it, to your stylist may have differ specific. Don't puis your hair up or in a clip during at first 72 hours after the blow, and don't tuck your hair blind your hair. Don't jet your hair wet during at first 72 hours. If your hair does somehow get wet, immediately blow dry and straighten it. Straighten hair how needed. As your hair grow, it will grow in curly again and you will need to straighten those portions at home.